How to delete email on Hotmail. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of TechTube. If you're also trying to delete the mails that you received on your Hotmail or your Outlook account, then in this video let me show you how you can easily remove those existing emails. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Firstly, open up your Outlook app and then you'll be able to see all of the mails that you received. Now to delete them, you can just tap and hold on them and this delete icon will appear on the top. If you want to delete multiple emails at once, you can also do that by selecting multiple and this check mark will appear right here. So you just first need to tap and hold and you can now select multiple emails. Once that is done, you can just tap on the trash can icon or the delete icon on the top and these mails will be removed from the inbox section, but however they will still remain on the deleted section. To completely remove them from that section as well, tap on the Outlook logo on the top left and here you'll have an option or a section of deleted. Through this section you'll be able to see all of the mails that you just removed from the inbox section. To remove them from here as well, you just need to repeat the same process. Just tap and hold on the mail and then tap on the delete icon on the top. This way the mails will be completely removed and deleted from your Hotmail or your Outlook account. So that is the easy way of deleting email on Hotmail. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.